Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious apple pie in a pan. First, gather all your ingredients, including about 6 to 8 medium-sized apples, sugar, cinnamon, and nutmeg. Next, prepare your pie crust. You can use a store-bought crust for convenience or make your own from scratch. Finally, preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring it's ready for baking. Now let's prepare the star of the show, the apple filling. Peel, core, and slice your apples into uniform pieces, about 1/4 of an inch thick, to ensure even cooking. In a large bowl, combine the sliced apples with a 1/2 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and a pinch of nutmeg. Add 2 tablespoons of flour to thicken the juices. Then, carefully place 1 pie crust into your 9-inch pie pan. With your filling ready, it's time to assemble and bake. Pour the apple mixture evenly into the bottom pie crust in your pan. Place the second pie crust over the filling, then crimp and seal the edges to prevent any delicious juices from escaping. Cut a few small slits in the top crust for steam to escape. Bake your pie for 45 to 55 minutes, or until the crust is a beautiful golden brown. Once baked, the hardest part is waiting. Let your apple pie cool for at least 2 hours on a wire rack. This allows the filling to set properly, preventing a runny slice. Serve it warm with a scoop of vanilla ice cream or a dollop of whipped cream for the ultimate treat. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade apple pie.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.